Hello 1030 kids. I just want to talk about quiz reflections really quick. Corrections, not reflections. Okay, so you guys at the top of the page, you need to have your name, the date, and the period. And then, right, quiz corrections chapter 2. Then please put a line all the way across the page. Okay, so when you go to do a quiz correction, you got to say the problem you did. Like, summarize the problem. So it's a three-way Venn diagram. So you missed problem B. This was it. So then give me the correct answer and then notice how I arrow. So you need to write why you missed it. Didn't understand notation because maybe at the time you didn't. Or you didn't see Becky on the outside, so maybe that's why you missed it. Another example would be problem 5 on chapter 2, right? So it's problem 5. A is the Venn diagram, so I see my Venn diagram, and then you can say correct answer for B, made an error in the calculation. I said that, and made error in my calculator, so it should be that. So then, that's how you would take care of just a few more examples. Okay, another one then would be quiz corrections chapter 12, right? Let's say I missed problem 3. Here's a summary of it. I got 7 products. So my first problem was a permutation. Didn't realize it was an order problem. Right? You could also have been, you didn't show work, right? Because I had to see that, or I needed to see this to indicate it was a permutation. And then let's say you messed up on B, right? Some of you guys didn't show the work that it was a combination, so you guys lost points. So there's that, right? And then I know a lot of you guys didn't get this one on the back. I just want to address it. So tree diagrams, right? List off the order. So this, like, what would work? Volleyball. So this stands for volleyball, cheer, summer basketball. So some of you guys I've talked with, you didn't realize that you needed to do that, right? Write all the options out. So good luck with this, guys. If you need more direction, please come talk.